Is your software pathing failed due to the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's repair your internal links and get you back to work. To kick off the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime Guide, I've provided an official resource for maintaining a healthy and synchronized workstation. This DLL file is the main execution engine library for .NET Core and .NET 5+. It manages memory allocation, garbage collection, and code execution for modern cross-platform applications developed on the latest .NET platforms. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. A damaged or incomplete Microsoft .NET Core installation can cause this error. Reinstall the latest official version of Microsoft .NET Core to restore required files such as the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime, DLL. If the redistributable repair didn't resolve the pop-up, the next logical step is to analyze the local environment for process conflicts. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. It is important to avoid manual installation of the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime, DLL if you are not a technical expert. One wrong move in your system directory can prevent your computer from booting entirely and result in data loss. For those who prefer a structured maintenance plan, you can access an official diagnostic resource at the link below. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got the Coreclr, Common Language Runtime working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.